How to sync TikTok Shop and Shopify. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can sync your TikTok Shop and Shopify. So obviously you're going to log in with your Shopify and you're going to make an account with TikTok Business, okay? Because TikTok Business is going to allow you to make a TikTok Shop, okay? So create a TikTok Business account, then you're going to go to TikTok Shop and create that, and obviously make sure you have a fully set it up account. Now, once you have a fully set it up TikTok Shop account, okay, what you're going to do from there is you're going to come to your Shopify, click on Add Apps over here, and we're going to scroll ourselves to the Shopify App Store. Okay, so I'm just going to load things in. Obviously, once things get loaded in, I'm going to go into Search Apps and Guides, and I'm simply going to write in here TikTok, okay? Now, once you write TikTok over here, it's going to give you TikTok like this, okay? So you're simply going to go over to TikTok. It's absolutely free to install. And once you're over here, just click on install, and that will obviously install TikTok. From there, you are going to want to link it to your TikTok shop account. And that is basically the simplest idea when it comes to syncing your TikTok and Shopify in the easiest, most simplest way possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.